If you're experiencing login errors on Kraken, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Step 3. Verify two-factor authentication. If you have two-factor authentication to FA Enable, make sure you are entering the correct code from your authentication app or SMS. Check that your device's time settings are accurate, as this can affect the code's validity. Step 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This can help resolve conflicts with old session data. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, reach out to Kraken's customer support. Provide them with details about the issue and they can assist you further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on Kraken. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.